In this video, I will show you how to fix your account that is already registered to another phone GCash. Go to the GCash app and access the Help Center or Support section. Look for contact options such as live chat, email support, or a customer service hotline. Explain the issue to GCash support and provide any necessary information they may ask for, such as your account details and mobile number. GCash support may ask you to verify your identity and ownership of the account. Be prepared to provide identification documents or answer security questions to prove that you are the rightful owner of the GCash account. Inform GCash support that you are experiencing the account already registered to another phone issue. Request their assistance in transferring your account to your current phone or resolving any discrepancies causing the error message. GCash support will guide you through the process of resolving the issue. Follow their instructions carefully and provide any additional information or actions they require to fix the problem. Ensure that both your GCash app and your device's operating system are up to date. Outdated apps or system software may sometimes cause compatibility issues or errors. As a precaution, change your GCash account password and enable any available security features such as two-factor authentication after resolving the issue. Regularly monitor your GCash transactions for any unauthorized activity. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe.